Hi, my name is Joe Ruby. I'm a student here at JTech in the Diesel Technology program, and today we're working on a hydraulic um, cylinder out of a Peterbilt car hauler. Right now, I'm going to show you where it came from. Part of the slide piece moves back and forth horizontally. It's from right up here. Basically, it does the same thing as this one. Moves these metal frames back and forward. Um, Now we're going to go back up here and I'm going to explain what we're doing. So we checked the hydraulic system on this truck, and we found that this is one of the hydraulic cylinders were leaking. So what we did was we took it apart. This is the actual cylinder rod that we took apart, took out, changed the seals, all these seals. The old seals were all crushed up and milled up and dry rotted to hell and back. So we put the new seals on this, and then the end caps have seals on them that were leaking as well. We put new seals on them, cleaned them up. We got to put these two in here, which I'll be doing in a second. This is the actual cylinder, which we'll clean up a little bit more as well. Make sure it's all nice and neat. And now I'll show you how we're going to put these seals in. Take these seals right here. There's a couple different ways you want to put it in. Um, these seals have to go in certain ways. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a little lip on it. And you put it in just like this. And you have another one which seals it whenever the actual end comes out, so there's no fluid, and no fluid comes out. It goes on this actual rod. So what we're going to do is install these. That's what I'll be doing right now. These are in fact a little tricky to get in there, but you finesse her right, she'll get in there nice and light. Alright, so that seals in. And then on these seals, you put these in right here. They go a certain way as well. And basically now we'll start putting it back together, and then the cylinder will be repaired right. Thank you for your time.